Hi everyone and welcome back to Scout Models with Mike. We have got the Alpine issue number 2, or kit number 2 if you like, of this wonderful vehicle, and in today's issue we are going to be doing the wheel. So one of the first wheels that we're going to be doing. It's a cute little dainty wheel. As you can see, we'll be putting the two hub wheel things together. Lost for words today. And put that all in, securing the two halves together. It's one of them ones that I love, which is where you don't have to put it in hot water to get the tyre to melt, so it's a push fit one. And then we've got to secure it with AM screws, and we should have something that looks like that. So that is for the Alpine. I think it's pretty straightforward with where we have to go. The detailing on this is lovely. It's a hard wheel, so it doesn't flex, but as you can see, it's got like a really lovely tread on it. So it's got beautiful tread mark on there, which is absolutely gorgeous. So we'll put that there. We've then got a die cast here, and then this section here is plastic, and then we've got ourselves some AM screws. So I'm going to get the AM screws out and get them out like so, because we're going to be using them. And I need to get my, can't find my blue one today, so I'm going to use my red one. What's going to happen is we're going to be putting, I don't think it makes too much difference, but basically as you can see it's got Michelin on there, Michelin. And that's going to go into one half, as you can see, just pushes in there nice and snug, and then we'll get the other half and line it up with 1, 2 and 3 holes there. So we've got to get that over there like so, put that down, line it all up as best as we can, just give it gentle, and it nice and lined up, and as you can see the screw holes are now lined up perfectly, and then we're going to put some AM screws through there, which looks really lovely, and we'll just secure that in. As you can see, it will sandwich it together. So just put some AMs, and you'll feel the wheels coming together, like the two halves coming together to be sandwiched. Just give it a nice turn, and that's number 1. And we'll do number 2. Apologies that there's not been a video lately. It's just been very manic, and I just haven't had an opportunity to film. As I said, I can only film when my family relatives go out, so they've gone to the vets today to pick up Molly's food, so it gives me a bit of chance to do some of this, because I'm only here on the weekends, you see, so I tried to get as much done as I can on the weekends, because the weekends I stay at my relatives, and then during the week I go home, so it just gives me a little bit of time to do this. So from now on, what I will say is don't expect it every Tuesday. Obviously, I'll try and get it for every Tuesday or whatever day of the week it's supposed to be. But obviously, it's not guaranteed. So I will just chuck it up as and when an opportunity comes available. But yeah, so I'm just going to go around and make sure they're nice and tight. So we've got 1, 2 and 3. And there we go. What a lovely wheel. That's gorgeous. So on here, we've got like Michelin there. It's really lovely. And then obviously around here. Now they've actually got the valve around the Michelin side, but I'm quite happy with where it is. You know, I'm quite happy with that. It doesn't have to be dead centre with Michelin. It's a valve, so the valve can appear any way you want it to appear. But overall, it's a lovely wheel. The tread is beautiful. I really like that. It's absolutely gorgeous, and it's nice and cute, isn't it? But that is kit number 2 for the Alpine. If you want to get this, you will need to head over to IXO Collections down the bottom here, IXO Collections, and you can get this for yourself. Now, there is talk about an Eiffel Tower, and I said, at the moment it's a full kit, and I spoke to them and I said, is this going to be available as like a subscription? They did tell me that it's likely to be at the end of December, and then we should be getting a subscription of the Eiffel Tower. I will definitely go for that, the Eiffel Tower. I think it looks lovely from what I've seen. But yeah, I think that'd be pretty good. So please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell if you want to be notified of all the videos I do. and I will see you very soon for the next issue, which is kit number 3 of box 1. Take care, guys. Bye bye.